like a lab rat. Go down your top, yeah, you say some matra. I can't quite catch that. My ears are going blank, but all your 2020 according to the Lord's word. I says, but no, that's anything you need. Loving, I will grant you all you need is to believe in me. Little faith, but you planted in me. All see and see, so close your eyes, you won't get home. Look around, you're not alone. Don't say I didn't tell you so. Ready to what I'm told. I drop a supermarket shot, giving back shot. When I took a break from stacking shells and boulevards, I got smacked in the run like a mad twat. Shredding, I've been attacked by a madman in a madman's heart. Daddy, we like to party until we get old and stand for Sky Daddy. The days are done for the badness and maddies. Wanna end up good, not end up a baddie. So close your eyes, you won't get home. Look around, you're not alone. Don't say I didn't tell you so. I really do what I'm told. Close your eyes, you won't get home. Look around, you're not alone. Don't say I didn't tell you so. That's been told like a prophecy that all came true, but the heresy is what it is, branded by hypocrisy. I'm wearing rose and bunny peas while sipping on the Hennessy and telling others how to live for God, while you're living like a king in a Lord's good fog, giving others like they were born to squawk, enslaving every person and send out to war. Close your eyes, you won't get off. Look around. To where the road that make clean and made told. The baby want the paper, but finally amid the dome without being distracted by the jewels up on the way. The road clear as I get the Lord each day. Say a prayer like I drink and sleep, like I watch what I eat. For the temple is weak, when it comes to the rebel and the bleak. But keep your fear at bay like an